Hey, my name is Philippe Nauori, and I'm going to show you a 1959 Rex Lotery who's been completely restored. It's important to me to keep all the very good architectural detail from the original architect. You can upgrade the house, but the original sink was very beautiful. I tried to keep it. When you open the door, you see this beautiful pool. What I did to this pool is I extended to the length of the new massive home that we have there. I made it this color because it blends in the landscaping, like in Brazil. If you see all the angle of the house, is the shape of the pool. It looks like you are in paradise, especially with all this landscape and this vegetation. Every morning you wake up and you feel like you never want to die because the house is so beautiful. Why you want to leave a place like that? Most of the time when you show a house, you show the front door, but this time I want to go to the primary suite because it's really amazing. We created the original woodwork and the light that Rex Lotery designed in 1959. So if you look at it, all this was handmade, take us about a month, piece by piece, to redo it. When you look through the window, you feel the vegetation like this glass box and all this green and brown, and it's very emotional when you look at everything. It's amazing. The bathroom is very special. We wanted to do a very chic bathroom, and so we did what we call a basalt. It's a nice stone. We mix that with silver travertine and white oak cabinet. It feels like you're in a luxury spa. We make it a very, very organic feeling. I think we achieved what we wanted to do. The office is very, very minimalist. Just enough for what you need. Very clean line, very sleek. You can see over there the original fireplace, some sculpture from the 50s, custom-made library. The wall is original. It's the same wall that we had outside that we also restore. The whole house took about 4.5 years of restoration. It takes so long and so much money and so much time that you really have to love what you do. My very close friend, Mr. Brainwash, did these pieces for the house, and Time to Love was time to love your house now, and that was just amazing pieces that he did. And now it's time to love the living room. Let's check it out. This living room is the perfect juxtaposition between mid-century modern and also 20th century modern, to live in the present with the soul of the past. So the living room is the heart of the house. We designed the fireplace with also silver travertine and metal siding. We added a bar. It was a small bar over there, so we're adding a bigger one. Again, you see green everywhere. The kitchen, I make it very, very simple because I wanted the kitchen to disappear in the house, almost like a furniture piece and not like a kitchen when you cook. And that's really was my goal, and I think I achieved it. The most important, I think, is the house choose you. You don't choose the house will choose you. So when you walk into the house, you know immediately if the house is for you or not. And that's really the most important thing in life, is to be able to feel good and feel joy in the house you end up being with.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.